Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: this keyword with constructors in Java program. So let us start with this keyword. So this keyword in Java, first of all, it is a special object reference variable. Okay, so object reference variable will be referring or pointing to particular object in memory. So in the same way, it is a special object reference variable. It is separate for every class in a Java program. So for every class, you will have this object reference variable. So this is an object reference variable which refers or points to current object under execution. It refers or points to current object under execution. So whichever is the current object getting executed in the memory of the program, this will be pointing to that particular object. Means this will be having that particular object reference code or hash code. So for example, if we take class A, so for class A, I will create an object obj1. So this will be pointing to obj1 in memory. Next, I will create obj2. Okay, so now this will be pointing to or referring to obj2 in memory. Next, I will say again obj1, the first object dot display method. Again, this will be referring to obj1 in memory. So whichever object is currently getting used or executed in the program, this will be pointing to that particular object in memory. So that's why it is a special object reference variable. And this is used only within a class. We have to use this only inside a class but not outside a class. Reason? Because it is separate for every class in a Java program. Right, now coming to usage of this. So how to use this in a Java class? It is used in two ways. First one, referring data members, and second one, referring constructors. So let us understand referring constructors in this video. So referring to the constructor. So this is used inside a class to refer constructors from any other constructor. So from other constructor, we can refer to the required constructor. Okay, so here refers means calling the constructor. Calling the constructor. Example, let us take class A. Inside class A, we are taking two data members X and Y. Okay, so in constructor with one parameter A. So this is constructor with one parameter. Okay, so in constructor with one parameter, we are initializing the X data member to input parameter A directly using assignment operator. So we are not initializing one, Y will be a default value which will be 0. Next, in constructor with two parameters A, B. So this is constructor with two parameters. We are initializing X with A, Y with B. Now instead of initializing X with A, here we can say this of A. Okay, so this of A means it will call constructor with one parameter. It calls constructor with one parameter. So it will go to the constructor with one parameter and initialize X here. Come back and initialize Y here. So this is reusability through this, calling another constructor from current constructor. Now, let us try to implement this in the form of a program. This keyword example 2. So program to demo this keyword with constructors. Take a new page. First write the comments. So let us take the same class A. Two data members X and Y. Constructor with one parameter. X is initialized to A. Constructor with two parameter. X is initialized by calling constructor with one parameter and Y is initialized with P. Okay, right. So let us use this and let us take void display method. Right. So inside the display method, we'll display the values of X, Y of class A, data members X and Y. System dot out dot println class A, and then we'll display X value plus X, Y value plus Y. Right, so let us write the main class. So main class, this keyword example 2. Right. Program execution starts with main method, public static void main, string of args. So this keyword example 2. Save this in your working directory. This keyword example 2 dot java. Right. So now let us create an object of class A, obj1 new A. So for new A, we'll pass only X value. So when we say obj1 dot display, we'll get only X value as 10, Y value is not initialized, we'll get Y value as 0, default value. So it will call constructor with one parameter, obj1 dot X 10, obj1 dot Y default value 0. Okay, right. Save it, open the command prompt, go to your working directory and compile the program, this keyword example 2, no error, and run it. So class A, X value 10, Y value 0. So here we'll put one message also, system dot out dot println using obj1. Okay, right. So similarly we'll take another object A, obj2 new A. We'll take X value as 100, Y value as 200. So using obj2, obj2 dot display. Right, so this will call constructor with two parameters, 100, 200. So let us go to constructor with two parameters, A 100, B 200. This of A 100. So this of A 100 goes to constructor with one parameter and then X. So this dot X or X obj2 dot X is initialized to 100. Come back to constructor with two parameters and obj2 dot Y is initialized to 200. And when you say obj2 dot display, it will display class A XY 100 and 200. Right. So let us recompile the program, save it and recompile, no error, and run it. So using object1 class A 1020 10 0, we did not initialize the data member Y, but using object2 X is initialized to 100 and again it will come back to constructor with two parameters and Y is initialized to 200. Okay, so here X is initialized in constructor with one parameter, this of A, and y is initialized to 200. So this is how we are supposed to work with this keyword with constructors in a Java class. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.